Buying a BMW often begins with excitement that few other car brands can replicate. The moment you first sit behind the wheel, the steering feels sharper, the cabin feels more refined, and the entire car seems engineered to make driving feel special. BMW has spent decades building a reputation around the idea of the ultimate driving machine, and for many owners that promise feels completely real during the early years of ownership. The acceleration is smooth, the handling is precise, and every commute feels just a little more enjoyable than it did in a typical economy car. But there is a conversation that many BMW owners quietly begin having once their cars pass a certain point on the odometer. Around 60,000 miles, something changes. It's not always a dramatic failure or a single catastrophic event, but rather a shift in the ownership experience that makes many drivers start asking a question they never expected to ask when they first bought the car. Is BMW ownership after 60,000 miles still worth it? Or does it slowly turn into the nightmare that critics always warned about? For many drivers, the first 60,000 miles of BMW ownership can feel almost perfect. Modern BMWs are packed with technology, turbocharged engines, and sophisticated engineering that deliver an incredible driving experience. During the warranty period, most issues are handled by the dealership, and owners rarely see the true cost of the technology working behind the scenes. Oil changes are predictable, maintenance reminders appear exactly when expected, and the car feels solid and reliable. But when the odometer moves past that 60,000-mile mark, many owners begin to notice subtle changes. Suddenly, there are more service reminders, small warning lights appear occasionally, and routine maintenance begins costing significantly more than it did during the early years. This is the point where the honeymoon phase of ownership slowly begins to fade. One of the biggest reasons this shift happens is the complexity of modern BMW engineering. Vehicles like the BMW 3 Series and BMW 5 Series are designed to deliver incredible performance while maintaining luxury comfort, and achieving that balance requires extremely advanced components. Turbocharged engines, sophisticated cooling systems, electronic steering modules, adaptive suspensions, and complex fuel injection systems all work together to create that famous BMW driving experience. But the same complexity that makes the car feel incredible during the first years of ownership also means there are simply more components that can wear out over time. Around 60,000 miles, the first category of issues many owners encounter involves the cooling system. Modern BMW engines operate at very high temperatures to maximize efficiency and power output. Components such as water pumps, thermostats, coolant hoses, and expansion tanks all play a critical role in keeping the engine operating safely. Over time, these parts naturally experience wear, and once mileage increases, they may need replacement sooner than many owners expect. When a cooling system component fails, the repair can quickly become expensive, especially if the problem leads to overheating or additional engine stress. Another area where owners begin noticing changes is oil leaks. BMW engines are built with tight tolerances and operate under significant pressure, especially in turbocharged models. Over time, gaskets and seals can begin to age and develop small leaks. These leaks are not always catastrophic, but they can become frustrating because they often appear gradually. An owner might notice a faint burning oil smell or a small spot under the car in the driveway. Mechanics commonly see valve-covered gasket leaks or oil filter housing gasket issues appearing once these vehicles reach higher mileage. Suspension wear is another factor that begins to affect the driving experience as BMW vehicles age. One reason BMWs handle so well is their precisely tuned suspension systems. The engineers designed these components to provide a balance between performance and comfort. But that precision also means suspension parts may show wear sooner than in more basic vehicles. Components such as control arms, bushings, and shocks may begin to degrade as mileage climbs. When these parts wear out, drivers may notice changes in steering feel, ride comfort, or stability during cornering. Electronics also play a huge role in modern BMW vehicles, and this is another area where aging can introduce unexpected challenges. BMW cars are filled with advanced technology, from digital dashboards and infotainment systems to driver assistance sensors and electronic control modules. When everything works correctly, these systems create a seamless luxury experience. But when electronic components begin to fail or malfunction, diagnosing the issue can become complex. Sometimes the repair involves replacing sensors or modules that are more expensive than traditional mechanical parts. Turbocharged engines are another element that contributes to the conversation around BMW ownership after 60,000 miles. Many modern BMW engines rely on turbochargers to deliver impressive power while maintaining fuel efficiency. Turbochargers operate under extreme heat and pressure, and while they are engineered to last for many miles, the surrounding components such as boost control valves, intercoolers, and related hardware may require maintenance over time. Owners who drive aggressively or delay maintenance may see these components wear faster than expected. It's also important to understand that BMW maintenance is fundamentally different from owning a typical economy car. Many first-time BMW buyers compare maintenance costs to vehicles they previously owned, such as mainstream sedans or compact cars. When service bills begin increasing after 60,000 miles, the contrast can feel dramatic. Premium vehicles often require higher quality parts, specialized fluids, and more time-consuming labor procedures. What might be a simple repair on a basic car can involve several hours of work on a luxury performance vehicle. Another factor that changes the ownership experience after 60,000 miles is depreciation. By the time a BMW reaches this mileage, the vehicle has already lost a significant portion of its original value. Owners who originally paid a premium price for the car may begin comparing repair costs with the current market value of the vehicle. This creates a psychological shift where even moderate repairs feel harder to justify financially. Despite these concerns, it's important to recognize that not every BMW suddenly becomes unreliable after 60,000 miles. Many well-maintained vehicles continue running smoothly far beyond this milestone. The difference often comes down to maintenance habits and ownership expectations. Drivers who follow recommended service intervals, use quality parts, and address minor issues early are far more likely to enjoy a positive long-term experience. Driving style also plays a role in how BMW vehicles age. These cars encourage spirited driving because of their responsive engines and precise handling. While that driving experience is part of the appeal, aggressive driving can accelerate wear on components such as brakes, tires, and suspension parts. Owners who frequently push their cars to the limit may encounter maintenance needs earlier than drivers who use the vehicle primarily for normal commuting. Certain BMW models also age differently depending on their design and engineering. SUVs such as the BMW X3 and BMW X5 provide additional practicality and comfort, but they also contain more components related to all-wheel drive systems, larger suspensions, and heavier vehicle weight. These factors can influence long-term maintenance needs compared to smaller sedans. For buyers considering a used BMW near or beyond 60,000 miles, the most important factor is maintenance history. A well-documented service record can reveal how the previous owner treated the vehicle. Cars that received regular oil changes, cooling system inspections, and proper servicing are far more likely to deliver reliable performance in the future. Professional inspections are also extremely valuable when buying a used BMW. Experienced mechanics familiar with the brand can identify early warning signs that the average buyer might miss. Checking for oil leaks, suspension wear, cooling system health, and diagnostic codes can reveal whether the vehicle is a smart purchase or a potential financial burden. What makes BMW ownership unique is that the driving experience often remains exceptional even as the vehicle ages. Many enthusiasts accept the higher maintenance costs because they value the performance, comfort, and engineering that BMW provides. For these drivers, the car remains enjoyable long after other vehicles might feel dull or outdated. However, for drivers who purchased a BMW primarily for its luxury image rather than its driving characteristics, the rising maintenance costs after 60,000 miles can feel disappointing. The ownership experience becomes less about prestige and more about practical financial decisions. In reality, BMW ownership after 60,000 miles is not automatically a nightmare, but it does represent a turning point where the responsibilities of owning a high-performance luxury vehicle become more visible. Owners who are prepared for those responsibilities often continue enjoying their cars for many years. The key lesson is that buying a BMW requires understanding the full life cycle of the vehicle, not just the excitement of the first few years. When buyers enter ownership with realistic expectations, the experience can still be rewarding even as the car ages. For those willing to maintain their vehicles carefully and invest in proper servicing, BMW cars can remain enjoyable and reliable far beyond 60,000 miles. But for drivers expecting the same maintenance simplicity as basic commuter cars, the reality of ownership may feel very different once the odometer crosses that milestone. And that's why 60,000 miles has become such a widely discussed point among BMW owners. It's the moment when the honeymoon phase ends and the true cost of owning a precision-engineered performance vehicle becomes clear. Some drivers see it as the beginning of a nightmare, while others see it as simply the next chapter in owning a machine designed to deliver one of the most engaging driving experiences on the road.